called, most of them called very dramatically as their God. We did speak to women who were, there was one woman I met this morning who stood here all night long reading the Bible in the hope that she could see her chief minister back alive. There were a lot of women who gave him the credit of being a credible chief minister, someone who kept his promises, someone who understood the problem of women, understood the problem of farmers, being a farmer himself, someone who knew what hunger was. I can show you pictures right now, right outside the camp office, where a lot of gathering in anticipation, waiting really to see their leader. Unfortunately, the end seems to be extremely tragic, something that the family has very scarcely been able to come to terms with.
Sudhir, if you can still hear us, we're still on pictures of outside the camp office there with thousands of people. Sudhir, you were talking about the surprise visits that the chief minister used to make. He was a leader of the and he had that mass base.
In Andhra Pradesh,
Right, we were just having problems with that line with T.S. Sudhir there in Kurnool. Radhika is getting us these pictures from Hyderabad. There's thousands of people wait in anticipation. What's the plan now, Radhika?
Well, Amitabh, the body will reach here shortly. Within a few minutes, we are told from sources just inside the camp office. Arrangements are being made so that the body can be kept here at his residence, as well as a place where he would work over the weekend on Saturdays and Sundays. Dr. Reddy used to work for about 17 hours a day and slept for about 4 hours. He would meditate. He was someone who was diabetic, but otherwise made sure that he was a very fit man. In fact, his family was saying that it's quite an irony, considering Dr. Reddy was considered to be a harbinger of luck, really, for not just for his state but also for his family. After he became the chief minister, Andhra came back from a drought situation. There were rains, after which Andhra Pradesh was almost renamed by the Congress party as Harit Andhra Pradesh, which is Green Andhra Pradesh, and they gave all the credit to the chief minister. It seems now that the body will be here all night at the camp office, and tomorrow morning from here it will be shifted to LB Stadium, a very massive stadium where people can be will be allowed to pay their last respects sometime around 9 a.m. in the morning, and after which the body will be shifted to Pulivendala, the village where Dr. Reddy was born. He will be made to rest right by the side of his parents. Pulivendala happens to be the constituency from where Dr. Reddy hails from.
Right, Radhika, well, we have established visual contact now with T.S. Sudhir in Kurnool as well, even as we bring you those live pictures from Hyderabad. Sudhir, we've seen reactions cutting across party lines of how extraordinary a leader Y.S.R. Reddy was.
Yes, in fact, I can show you the evening edition of the Eenadu published from Kurnool. You can see this full-page photographs of a beaming YSR. YSR was one politician who was always known for the way he smiled and laughed. And these are the pictures of grief outside his home, friends, relatives, colleagues in the political field. You can also see old black and white photographs there of Rajshekhar Reddy with Rajiv Gandhi, a person he really idolized. In fact, naming most of his projects, including the Hyderabad International Airport, after Rajiv Gandhi. You can see his old childhood photographs. You can see his marriage photograph here in black and white, Rajshekhar Reddy. And here are the photographs with his political friends and rivals. There you see with his one-time friend and now of course turned rival Chandrababu Naidu, with K. Chandrasekhar Rao, with his best friend KVP Ramachandra Rao. So entire collage of photographs being published here. There you can see him with N.T. Ramarao, with Indira Gandhi and with various other leaders. And this is his image as a dapper leader, suited, booted, going on for conferences. And this is of course the terrain where the chopper lost contact met with the air traffic control yesterday at 9:35 in the morning. Yes, as you were mentioning, people in Andhra Pradesh pretty much in a state of shock at the way they've lost their chief minister. Remember, they just voted him back to power just about a little over 100 days back, giving him 155 seats in the assembly and as many as 33 seats in the Lok Sabha. So essentially reposing their confidence in the welfare programs that Vice Rajshekhar Reddy had undertaken in his first term as chief minister. His mantra was very simple, that he wanted to give something to each family. So it could be old age pensions, it could be widow pensions, it could be a housing scheme, plot under the Indrama housing scheme, it could be free power to farmers, it could be the Jalayagnam program, as a result of which you could be getting more water for your fields in many parched parts of Andhra Pradesh. So that was the kind of welfare agenda that Rajshekhar Reddy was following, and he believed that if every family got something, it would also aspire to get something more what their neighbor or what their friends and relatives got. So he believed would hopefully definitely keep Congress in power for a longer period of time, and probably that's one of the main reasons why he was able to come to power for a second time, something no other chief minister had achieved in recent years in Andhra Pradesh. Amitabh?
Ratika, top leadership of the Congress and government expected in Hyderabad. You already know Prithviraj Chavan, Veerappa Moily are there. We're told the Speaker Meera Kumar is flying in tonight, and then the Prime Minister Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi will be in Hyderabad tomorrow. So it's not just the top leadership, of course, but those pictures that you're showing us of a massive outpouring in terms of the common man as well, Radhika.
That's right, it is indeed an outpour of grief, an outpour of regret of having lost their very senior leader, and of course the chief minister, who's considered to be extremely charismatic. We've been saying all through that Dr. Reddy has always enjoyed this image of being a mass leader, really, someone who came back to power after 5 years of rule only on the basis of development. Throughout his election campaign in 2009 elections, despite having a charismatic Chiranjeevi who turned his rival, despite having Chandrababu Naidu, who could have possibly come back to power, refuting all reports of critics that Rajshekhar Reddy would not make it, Dr. Reddy managed to come back with a whopping 150 plus seats in the Assembly, Andhra Pradesh Assembly, proving that he was a mass leader, proving that he was a super hit amidst the rural folk of Andhra Pradesh. He was a big hit with farmers. Also, Dr. Reddy has this credit of being the first chief minister of the country to set aside in financial budgets in the state the highest money for irrigation projects, emphasizing the need for reaching to the poor families, particularly below poverty line families, free drinking water, good quality drinking water, to the extent, in fact, of within 100 days of coming back to power, he even came out with a scheme for mineral water for many families. You can see pictures, Amitabh, live pictures that we're showing you of the convoy and just entering the camp office. Supporters, really, the spirit is indeed extremely high at the moment. A lot of emotions running high. People paying their last respects. There is applause for the chief minister, who they loved really, who they voted for. He barely completed 100 days of power after coming back as chief minister with a whopping majority in 2009 elections. That's the convoy that's heading back. A tragic end indeed for Dr. Rajshekhar Reddy.